Okay, we're going to do some percent off discount problems like at a store or something. Now, the writing on this is god awful because I was writing in a car and the road was like bumpy as can be. So, yeah, it looks like it's not good. Okay, so this is like each problem has its own square, and you only have 4 on the back to do. So, it's not like I loaded as many up because once you get it, it's pretty well set in stone. So the price of something I buy is $90 and it's 30% off. Well, I need to minus some amount of money from 90, but it's not going to be 30, okay? Because 30 is not dollars, it's 30%. So what I need to do is find out, okay, if it's 30% off, how much money can I subtract from the $90 price? Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our percent, just like last week. I'm always divide percents by 100. And that's going to be 0.3. So I'm going to write that down. And then what I can do is I can times that by the price. Okay, so 0.3 times $90. That's 27. So what that tells me is I can subtract $27 from my price. 90 minus 27 is $63. So just put that there, and that's your answer. Okay, price of something is $40 and it's 20% off. So I know I can take $40 minus some money from that, but I don't know how much money. And again, don't put 20 because we got to convert the $20 or the 20% so we can find out how much money that is. So again, I take my percent 20 and we're always going to divide that by 100. Okay, so 0.2. And then I'll multiply by the price, and that's going to find out how much money gets to be subtracted. So 0.2 times 40, and I got 8, okay? Okay, so I get to subtract $8, and 40 minus 8 is 32. Okay, so that's your new price, $32. Okay, something's $75 and we have 15% off. So again, I have $75. I want to know how much money I get to subtract from that because discount off means I get to subtract money from what I have to pay. So I take 15 divided by 100 because that's my percent, and that's 0.15. Then I can multiply that by my price times 75. Okay, I came up with $11.25, so 11.25. Okay, so that's what I'm going to subtract from here. So 75 minus 11.25. That's 63.75. So the answer is $63.75. Okay, so the price of the next thing, we have $130. And it's 40% off, so I know I get to subtract something from 130, but I need to find out how much money that is. So again, I divide my 40% by 100. That's going to be 0.4, so I'll write that down. And then I multiply by the price, and that's going to tell me how much money we can subtract. So 0.4 times 130 gives me 52, so $52. And I subtract 52 from there. So I take $130 minus 52, and that comes out to be $78. Okay, price of something $60, and we got 25% off. So a 60 minus something, so I take 25 divided by 100. That gives me 0.25. And I multiply by the price, $60, okay? 0.25 times 60 gives me 15. Okay, so again, that tells me the price, the money we get to subtract, and 60 minus 15 is 45. Okay, price of something's $50, 10% off, so I divide my 10. I take $50, that's a 50. Okay, I'm sorry, you can't read it. It's a 50. Okay. So to find out how much money I can subtract, I need to divide my percent by 100, and 0.1 is what I see. And then I'm going to multiply that by the price, and that's going to find out how much money I can take off. So 0.1 times 50 is 5. So I'm going to subtract $5. 50 minus 5 is 45. Okay, price of something $70, we have 40% off. Okay, so $70 minus something, I need to find out the dollars that I get to subtract. So I'm going to divide my percent by 100. So 0.4. And then I'm going to multiply by the price, and that's going to find out what 40% of $70 is for me to subtract. So 0.4 times 70 is going to be 28. Okay, 70 minus 28 is $42 is a new price. Okay. All right, and then the last one, something's $80, 30% off. $80 minus how much? I don't know. I need to figure this out. So I need to take 30% divided by 100. That's going to be 0.3. And we're going to times that by 80. So 0.3 times 80 is $24. So that means I can subtract $24 from $80. So 80 minus 24 is going to be 56. Okay.